Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2012 Bobcat S650 rubber tired skid steer loader. This machine has 2,205 hours and is loaded up very nice. Cab, heat, air, standard controls, power, quick attach. Machine has just 2,205 hours and it is a pre-admissions Kubota engine machine. Let's start right back here in the engine compartment, take you completely around this machine like we normally do. In the engine bay, this unit is powered by a Kubota V3307 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts, runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. It has had a complete service done. All filters and oils were done at 2203. I bought this machine some time ago and we just now got time to get it detailed up and ready to rock and roll. But it is serviced and ready to go. Guaranteed to be 110%. We did do a little bit of paint work. The gray, obviously, we paint a lot of those just because the Bobcat gray fades out. We did do the back door, back corner panels, and up front on the boom, but the rest of it on the loader arm stuff's all original. Back bumper here is very nice and straight. There's no oil leaks that we found on the machine anywhere. Again, this corner here, that has been done just because it was scuffed up. But this white here is all original down to here. And we did paint the fronts of the loader arms. This is all original here on the machine. Does have 4 good Bobcat heavy duty 12-16-5 tires. They're about 45 to 50%. I left them on there because they were all matched up. There's still a lot of running left in those tires. Comes with a brand new CID Extreme 72-inch long bottom bucket. That is brand new. Put a good heavy duty bucket on it. Whenever the machine came in to me, the power Bobcat cylinder was missing. That cylinder is brand new from Bobcat, was $800, and I went ahead and put it on, done it, made it right, wanted it to be right. They had just capped the hoses off, so we just went ahead and put a brand new cylinder on so that it was ready to rock and roll. 2 other things that I am waiting on, hopefully they'll be in today. I am going to install the clean out shields here. They were missing on the machine. And in the cab, there's a set of snap-in covers that snap in the floor. I'll show you here in a second to keep dirt out of the pedals. They're going to be in here today and they will be installed before the machine is sold. Standard 23 GPM auxiliary hydraulics with 7-pin attachment control device. Back to the quick attach, very tight, no issues there at all. That is standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. This grab handle here has 1 little wee ding in it. This one also has a ding in it. Just want everybody to know that, being honest. We ended up putting a brand new wiper arm blade hardware on. It had been bumped and bent, so we went ahead and replaced it. Cab glass is beautiful. It is all intact. Machine is not some rust bucket piece of junk. Very nice shape. Interior of the cab's very nice. It does have the A71 pack. And right down here in the floorboards, what I was talking about there, just a little snap-in panel that'll be installed before the machine's sold. Again, it is keyless. Fire him up here. 2,205 hours. We'll take you through the keyless panel here. No active warnings. Here's all your temperatures. Over here, 1,300 RPM, 14.1, 247.6 is the next service, and there's no error codes. It does have the auto level bucket. Power log attach, as I said. Switch for that, throttle. Heat, air, we do know that the air works. We checked everything on the compressor. We did put all new cabin filters in. It does have a dome light and it does work. All ducted heating system in the ceiling. Washer, wiper, everything there. Have to make sure it's full of fluid for you. I'm going to turn the camera back over to Spencer here. We're going to fire this machine up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it is supposed to do, and operate it for you here and show you all functions the way it's supposed to be. Here we go. good. Goes right in the slate pile, spinning the tires. That's what you want it for. Machine's completely serviced, ready to go. Power bulb attached cylinder, again, is brand new. So it's cab, heat, air, standard controls. Pre-admissions Kubota engine machine, V3307. Power bulb attached and has a sound editing package in it. So if you're looking for a nice low-hour machine, 2,205 hours and a pre-admissions, here's something to look at right in time for winter snow removal, and very good running, working machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.